So if we want to send a probe outside the solar system, we would have to make many calculations. We would have to first see how the Earth is moving and if there would be any planets in the way or that would end up in the way of the probe when we launch it. Because if any of the planets in our solar system were to get too close to the probe, we would take off the trajectory and possibly put it down onto the surface of the planet, which would then that would be disastrous, possibly. And all the planets have different gravitational pulls due to the different sizes and compositions. So we would have to make sure some are more farther away than others, i.e., Jupiter. We have to make sure Jupiter is a lot farther away than we have. Then we would have to make sure Mars is, just because Jupiter has a greater gravitational pull. And then we will also have to take into account materials necessary, like what could we build it out of that would be able to last that long in space with all the things that could possibly happen. We would need to have something that would be able to handle all of that. And also have to make sure it has enough fuel to get out of the solar system. And even with all of that planning and all that stuff, we would still just need to be a little bit lucky for it to make it out of the solar system successfully.